Imagine a spacecraft giving the International Space Station, ISS, a much-needed boost. Literally. On September 3rd, NASA's 33rd SpaceX Cargo Dragon resupply mission performed its first ever boost kit propulsion maneuver to help keep the ISS at the right altitude. This critical operation lasted exactly 5 minutes and 3 seconds, effectively raising the station's lowest point in orbit. But here's where it gets interesting. This maneuver isn't just about maintaining altitude. It's a testament to the evolving capabilities of commercial spaceflight and the growing role of private companies like SpaceX in supporting space exploration. Mark Caro, a seasoned aerospace journalist based in Houston, reported on this significant event. With over 25 years of experience, Mark has been a trusted voice in the industry, covering everything from rocket launches to spacewalks. His work at the Houston Chronicle earned him recognition from the Rotary National Award for Space Achievement Foundation in 2006 for enhancing public understanding of America's space program through his insightful reporting. This groundbreaking maneuver by the Cargo Dragon is a part of a broader series of missions that highlight the increasing collaboration between NASA and private aerospace companies. These partnerships are not only crucial for maintaining the ISS, but also for advancing future space endeavors. And this is the part most people miss. The technical intricacies and strategic planning behind such maneuvers are often overlooked, but they play a vital role in ensuring the safety and efficiency of space operations. If you're interested in diving deeper into the world of aerospace and defense, you can read the full report in Aerospace Daily Defense Report, a publication by the Aviation Week Intelligence Network, AWIN. Access to this detailed market briefing is included with your AWIN membership, providing you with the latest insights and data in the industry. Already a member of AWIN or have a subscription to Aerospace Daily Defense Report through your company? Simply log in with your existing email and password to access the full article. Not a member yet? Discover how you can gain access to the essential market intelligence and data needed to stay informed about the latest developments in the aerospace and defense community. What do you think about the growing role of private companies in space exploration? Is this a positive step forward, or do you have concerns about the commercialization of space? Share your thoughts in the comments below.